Okay guys, so we're now here in Bird's Paradise. This is the entrance. This place is so huge. Wow. Woo. Yeah. So this is what you will see when you're at the entrance. So after the turnstile entrance, we'll go and together with Kamis. Yes. That's the map. Wow. So if you have a baby, you can rent this online, and then when you come here, then you can go here, guest services, then you can take. Yeah, so far I'm enjoying because it's very accessible. At the entrance you have a toilet and you have a water dispenser as well. So yeah, the build is very good. Excellent. Oh, there's a shuttle station so behind the Penguin Cove. So you will save a time if you're walking. Yeah, so that is the shuttle. If you want to save your journey walking in this huge bird's paradise. Hi Nabila. Hi. Welcome to my vlog. Hi boy. Welcome to my vlog. First time to visit this bird paradise. Since it was still in Jurong, I haven't been there. Why I tell you guys, the place is so huge. We're walking about how many? 5 minutes, but still we're walking. Wow. I keep on repeating my video. Wow.
You watch it?
Yes, hi, my fans in the Philippines. Yes.
Masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
At the bird park and nursed it
This
back
is
to health.
a vulture.
Unfortunately, he suffered an injury that prevented him, but they
lot of
cooperate and
vultures.
coexist with the vultures, joining them in the feast. The 11 species of vultures in Africa.
Sky Amphitheater. So we're heading to our next destination. So there's a playground also for your kids while waiting for the show. If you're finished with all those sightseeing, then you can play with your kids. Yes. So now we're going to. Whoa. Cute, kulay blue. Wow, you're so cute. Yes. Wow, so cute. There. American flamingo. So guys, when you are going in Birds Park or Bird Paradise, you must drink a lot of water, especially during a hot sunny day. We're going to Amazonian Jewels. Come in, come in. This place is awesome. So this is a resting place. So relaxed, huh? So relaxed, huh? Australian Outback. The place is so cool. Welcome to Pirate Continent. Nabila, why you always laughing?
Okay, too hot, so hot.
Yeah. Ashari, smile. Smile, Joyce. Yeah, so we're here, my team in Bird Paradise. I'm just making a short video just to show you guys how does it look like, right?
Like penguin 就怕不会游啊，你就上来了的那种。
Oh, penguins are diving. Okay, so from the top we came down, and I think that's it. We're came back to the entrance already. So we start from here and go all over the place. Then now we're here at the entrance. So yeah, that's it, guys, and we're about to enter the Birds Paradise shop souvenir before we go out. Yes. Hi. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, watch, comment, and consider subscribing. Yeah. God bless and take care. Peace.